I had a really good experience in Buenos Aires with Mente Argentina. I was doing an internship at a language exchange company or program, and I went to a lot of their events, and then I was doing marketing for them. And the people there were really amazing, and at the events I met a lot of local people who were able to give me a lot of advice about the city, and were just like great to talk to. So I had a really good experience with the people. And then I also was able to do cooking classes and Spanish classes. So you could really do like whatever mix of activities you want to do, and Mente helps you like put it all together in a nice little schedule. Yeah, and the city itself is beautiful. There are so many parks. You'll never be bored. The nightlife is great, tiring but great. Yeah, and I was only here for a month, so I wasn't able to travel extensively throughout the rest of Argentina. But there are so many different day trips you can do, and I have to come back now to just experience all of it. But yeah, I really had a good time, and I highly recommend it.